So let me do a quick demonstration for you guys. I'm just gonna load up this side. Now look at my face before I start loading up both sides. Okay, you could clearly see this side of my face is less plump and this side is more plump because I apply more to this side. Now I'm gonna go on this side and load it up like I was doing on the other side. So I'm just rubbing it in and it feels really smooth on my skin. I'm just rubbing it in right in front of you right here right now, and with just an instant application. Look at that. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be using a very simple facial mask on my skin. This facial mask is going to help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, get rid of the dirt and the grease from the skin, and leave the skin just supple, soft and radiant. I'm using just simple ingredient in this ingredient that you probably already have in your kitchen. So what are you waiting for? Especially if you're stuck at home, guys, go in your pantry, search for these ingredients and whip this facial mask up with me. So let's get in the kitchen and do this together. Now today I'm going to be using baking soda and I'm going to be making a facial mask. Baking soda will help to cleanse the skin, get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. It will also seep into those pores, remove the grease from the pores, and basically it will also help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. If you have rough, dry looking skin, this is amazing for your skin. So what I'm going to be doing with the baking soda, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to try to get rid of all the lumps from the baking soda. Now remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Do not use baking powder. Now once we get rid of the lump from the baking soda, we're going to set this aside and we're going to introduce our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is fresh aloe vera gel, and here I have a piece of aloe leaf. Now aloe will help to moisturize and hydrate the skin. It also will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. So I'm going to use about 2 ounces of the aloe vera gel. So just extract the gel from the leaf, which is pretty easy if you know what you're doing. Just slide my knife on there. You can also scrape it. Here we have the fresh aloe vera gel. What I'm going to be doing with this, I'm going to be blending. So just place this in the blender. And we have a little of the gel left over. So I'm just going to scrape this out. Just make sure to get all your gel out. And look how jelly. Look at that, guys. Look how jelly this is. So just scrape your gel. Now also, if you don't have a blender, you can choose to scrape your gel instead of blending. Now what we're going to do, we're going to blend. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. Now once this is done, here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. And now we're going to move on to the next ingredient and take a look at what I have here. Here I have some milk. You can choose to use soy milk or almond milk if you're vegan. However, for everyone else, use fresh milk or use some yogurt. So now I'm going to reach back for my baking soda. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of the fresh milk on the baking soda. If you have already subscribed to the channel and you feel like you want to be more active on this channel, to be more a part of the channel, then you can become a member. Look below, there's a join button. Click on it and choose your tier. Then I'm going to reach for my aloe vera gel. I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel on the baking soda also. And then I'm going to mix this together to begin with. So we're going to just blend. And it's supposed to look a little creamy like this. This is okay. And then I'm going to reach for my next ingredient. And this is honey.
Now the honey is going to help to hydrate the skin. It have natural antibacterial properties. It is also good for acne prone skin. Honey also will help with aging skin, mature skin, lock the moisture in the skin and have your skin looking soft and supple. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the honey, give and take. We're pouring this in. Make sure to get everything out. Scoop it out in the mixture. And now we're going to blend. Just blend the honey out in the mixture. Make sure it's completely blended in the mixture. And take a look at this. This is exactly how you want this to be. Our baking soda, honey, aloe vera facial wash. So what I'm going to do with this, guys, I'm just going to cover this. And I'm going to place it in the refrigerator for a few hours just to chill, really, so about an hour or two. And then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this on your skin for best result.
So now that the facial mask is cooled, I'm going to apply it to my skin. You want to make sure to always give it a little stir. Stir it up before you apply. Now to apply this facial mask, I'm going to use a cotton pad. You can also choose to use a brush. What you're going to do, you're going to soak the cotton pad with the mask. It's going to be very, very thick and sticky. And then you're just going to apply it on your skin like I'm showing here. Just rub it on in circular motion and take a look at this. While I'm rubbing the mask on my skin, it's as if it is just instantly brightening and hydrating my skin. Don't forget over your mouth. So just rub it on. And the cotton and the fine granules from the baking soda is also giving your skin an amazing facial scrub. So that is what makes this mask so amazing, guys. So once this is done, you're going to sit with this on your skin for about 15 minutes. So you're going to go back in with a second layer after 15 minutes, and you're going to apply the mask all over your face. Now, once this is done, you are going to sit with this for another 15 minutes on your face, and then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite moisturizer. Now, guys, that's it. You can use this mask at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. So let me do a quick demonstration for you guys. I'm just going to load up this side. Now, look at my face before I start loading up both sides. Okay? You could clearly see this side of my face is less plump and this side is more plump because I apply more to this side. Now I'm going to go on this side and load it up like I was doing on the other side. So I'm just rubbing it in and it feels really smooth on my skin. I'm just rubbing it in right in front of you right here right now, and with just an instant application. Look at that. Amazing. Now this can also be used on your neck and your décolleté. You can also choose to use this on your hands. Just have fun using this mask. Rinse off with cold water and you're on your way to beautiful, gorgeous looking skin. So there you have it, a quick and easy facial mask that you can use to refresh your skin. Give it a go, use it for a week and come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.